town I live in now, like, I don't know how many years ago, bro. I think I was like
10 years
ago. How old were we when we was in 6th grade?
I don't even know.
We're about, damn, where were we? Okay, at least a decade ago. It had to be over a decade. This was the first guy to come up to me, say what up. This is my first friend I've ever made. And 10 years later, I'm still rocking with this is my brother right here. Woo! My boy David had like, okay, back in the day, this was Kanye East. This was Kanye East. This boy was Kanyezzles. Oh my God, so much has changed in the past decade. We whipping a big body Arias right now, the Brias. We in the Brias right now, boy. Full tank. Full tank. Ooh.
All that electricity.
You got Duracell battery, bro? You got rechargeables and shit? Gotta run a little errand for my mom. Look how tall, David, how tall are you, bro? 6'8"?
6'3".
Man, you at least by 8'6", bro.
Man, listen, I'm short.
You short the who? The great Khalid, yeah.
To the NBA players out there.
Y'all won't believe, but he only 17 years old. That's that Wakanda juice in his blood. So I know you guys been asking for like, yo, Zosh, bro, what a Kanye videos at, bro? Hey, bro, what a Kanye? Hey, Dave's in town. I'm in town. Yeah. It's about to go down, Brown style. We about to do a video, different types of Uber drivers, and I hope you guys enjoyed it.
Hope y'all enjoy it, man.
Yes, because we need all the vibranium we can get.
Oh yes,
I am going to ride the power of the Black Panther.
The power of the Black Panther.
At the next one, you would like to make a lift.
Oh, make a lift.
You would like to make a lift. Real quick before this skit start, this happened all in like 15 to 20 minutes, not the most. I didn't write anything, so it's not like scripted anything. If the acting is bad on both our parts, then it just happened off the whim. We just want to do something fun, and I wanted to bring some of the old Zosh to the channel. I know some of my OG followers of the channel for this long have been burnt out of the car stuff and want me to get back to like cooking videos and the comedy videos. So I hope you guys enjoy this parody skit thing, because we just end up making outtakes as the whole entire skit. I didn't film it properly. I don't have my tripod, but I hope you guys enjoy our bad acting in this video. So if you cringe, don't cringe, bro. Just try to find the funniness in it, alright? Alright, I hope you guys enjoy it. Yeah. Yo, where'd you at, man? It's been like 3 minutes.
His name is Bessie. I'm going to pick up another brother. Okay.
Oh, there you go.
Hello.
What's up, brother?
Hello, my nigga.
My name's Percy.
Oh, Percy.
Yeah, what's up, man?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good, bro. How you doing?
I'm good. I'm good. Yeah, so
I'm going to Publix right up the street.
You're going to... No. I'm taking you to Wakanda.
I want to go to Publix, bro.
No.
Publix got a special right now, 2 for $6.
You are number 577-655-472. Wakanda border. Master Chichala tell me that to come pick you up.
But I'm supposed to be going to Publix, bro.
No, what is Publix?
I got a little hot team I'm supposed to meet.
What is Publix?
Well, they got deli, they got subs, you can get cakes and stuff like that.
I'll take you to Wakanda now.
Hey, man, let me out!
No, you going to Wakanda.
They got vibranium over there in Wakanda, right? I can drink some of that King T'Challa juice and stuff?
Yes, but your Black Panther powers will be stripped away.
You cool with me? Let's ride!
We going to Wakanda now.
Yeah. Woo!
What up, dude?
Ooh, what's up, brother? All right, you know where to go.
Man, I ain't not doing okay, my dude. I'm not doing okay, man. My baby mama, bro.
Yeah, so we just going up the street, bro. Right up here to the,
I don't care where you going, bro. Okay? I'm worried about my issues right now, bro.
Well,
okay, my baby mama, she just called me talking about she need $800 for some kid. You know what, bruh? You know what? I don't even care right now. I'm gonna just kill us both right now.
Hey, hold on. Hey, hold on, bro. Hey, it's not worth it.
Listen.
It's not worth it, bro.
It's worth it, bruh.
I'm gonna go clap some cheeks, bro. I need you to take me to the spot up the street, bro.
Okay, I'm gonna take you there. It better not be my baby mama either, bruh. Cause if so, I'm gonna run through your junk right now, bruh.
Her name Candace?
Yeah.
What they call her candy for sure.
Yeah.
She got a nipple on her left butt cheek.
Nigga, if you don't get out my car.
Blood! Blood! Woo. All right, let's get this day started with.
What up, my dog?
What's up, bro?
Chilling.
All right, so I'm heading up to 3030.
I already know where you're going, bro.
All right. Hey! Keep doing it. I was laughing too hard. I really do. Whew, let's get the day started with. All right.
What up, my nigga?
What's up, bro?
I'm chilling.
All right, so I'm heading up to
I already know where you're going, bro.
All right, bro. What do you think?
Yeah.
So how's your day going, bro?
I'm chilling, bro.
Hey, bro. Hey, watching the road?
Nah. I don't do that.
Hey, man.
What, bro?
Bro, where you going? Hold on. What's up, man? You all right?
I gotta get my double taps up on Instagram, bro. Come on.
Oh shit.
Hey, you got Twitter, cuz?
Hey, follow me at Zosh 316.
Oh, nah, I ain't gonna follow you.
Why? I got too many numbers in my name. What's up, man?
Hey, Percy, right?
Yeah, that's me. What's up, bro? How's it going?
Good. How are you, man?
Good.
Oh, man.
All right, so I'm heading up to the local mall.
You're to the mall. Oh,
Yeah.
Okay, what are you gonna buy?
Got a date tonight, man.
You got a date tonight.
Woo!
Wow.
First time in like 2 years, bro.
What are you buying over there?
You know, something, just a little outfit to get together and stuff. You know what I'm saying?
Man, you're gonna get you some a Gucci belt and some Jordan pants.
No, I'm gonna get me, you know what I'm saying, some funnel cakes. You know what I'm saying, some socks.
Okay,
You know,
alright.
basic stuff for the date. You know what I'm saying,
so-
some fragrant stuff.
How's life?
Life is good, bro. I just want to go to the mall in the street. You know what I'm saying?
You sure?
Yeah,
You
that's all. Yeah,
You
bro.
don't want to have a little conversation, you know?
No.
About things that's going on in your life?
No, I'm lactose intolerant, bro.
Lactose intolerant.
Yeah, I ain't
Oh,
with that
my mother's lactose intolerant.
Oh, for
She
real?
doesn't drink milk, you know. She
I'm
doesn't
afraid
drink
for it, bro. I'm afraid for it.
dairy, lactose. You know, she doesn't drink yogurt. She doesn't drink cereal. You know.
Hey, my man, can we just go to the mall, bro? I mean, I respect you trying to talk to me.
the mall,
Yeah,
sir.
I
But sometimes I just want to get to know my
No, because it might be the last time I see you, bro. I'm gonna give you 5 stars, but you drive me to the mall, please. Thank you, man.
All right. Yeah, no problem.
Yeah, thank you.
So yeah, I just got engaged, and
Hey, my nigga, bro. Hey.
sir, I just want to get to know you.
Shut the fuck up, man.
Oh, happy Halloween, sir.
What's up, nigga?
Hi.
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 It's a sticker. Give me all the gas in this motherfucker.
Sir, this is an electric vehicle.
You think this is a joke, nigga? I need all the batteries in this bitch right now.
Sir, I can't just get...
Don't make... Lord, you've been testing my patience. I've been praying every night. Give me all the batteries in this bitch. All the Duracells, Ryo.
Happy Halloween.
Nigga, it's a stick right on. Get Halloween.
Hey, happy Halloween, sir.
It's like a custom. Nigga, you getting robbed, nigga. What's up, nigga?
Hi.
Give me all the gas in this. All the gas in this right now, nigga.
Sir, this is an electric car.
Oh, this is a Prius.
Yeah.
Well, give me all the batteries in this bitch. Before I blowing all this shit up.
I can't just give you the battery, sir. I'd have to unwire,
Unwire that shit now, nigga. I got shit to do today.
I can't just...
My nigga, if you don't give me all the Ryo cells, Ura cells, the Energizer Bunny, I'm gonna keep moving for all that shit. I want all...
Keep moving forward. I can't. Hey, how you doing, sir?
What's up, nigga?
How you doing, sir? Nice
Drive the car.
costume.
Drive the car.
Okay, happy Halloween, man. see no motherfucker. Rob your ass, nigga. You about to get wild for all the gas in this bitch. It better be premium, unleaded, and 93.
Sir, this is a Prius. It doesn't run on gas.
Oh shit, it's a Prius?
Yes, sir.
This motherfucker kinda cool. You got leather seats, leather, and all types of shit.
Sir.
Well, give me all the damn Priuses in this motherfucker.
I can't just give it to you, sir.
My nigga, I need all the batteries in this right now.
Sir, I can't just give you all the batteries, sir. It's a complicated
Bullet,
process.
meet nigga, meet bullet. You about to die, bitch. I need every battery in this
Sir, this is a complicated
nigga, call
process.
me sir. Nigga, my name is nigga.
Nigga.
We can't do it. We can't do it. Oh my god, bro. We can't do it.
Said.
This nigga said nigga.
Nigga.
I don't have none of them at radio.
Hello, my name is David Jigaloo Jones, and I'm gonna tell you why you should invest in a 2018 Toyota Prius.
Give me some Cuddy hums with it, bro.
Oh, that one clean.
When I ride, she don't wanna stay with me no more. And I don't know why, but what I did was wrong. I told her, get up, home and leave me alone. I don't know why I said it, but I did, and it was wrong. My dog David finna get up on body here. He came through, said what up to your boy.
Yeah.
That's your homie.
Oh yeah. Hey man, shout out to Greg. You feel me? He drives a blue GTR.
GTR?
Yeah.
GTR?
No, just kidding.
Wait, well, hold on, Greg, where you at?
No, I'm just messing with you. Hey, shout out to Greg though. He drives a blue GTI. Sad Boys on the back.
Sad Boys.
Yeah, shout out Sad Boys, man. Shout out Greg. Feel me?
Where can they find you at, David?
Hey, man, y'all can find me at my Instagram right here.
Hold on, I gotta find it. Okay, wait, right there?
Yeah, y'all can find me on my Instagram right here.
Okay, boom.
That right there is
boom.
everything. You got my Snapchat, my Instagram, my Facebook.
Dang, you got Facebook?
My mixtape coming out.
He's actually good, bro. You know what I'm saying? I support people, but like this right here, hey, bro, I'm gonna be at the show being the hype man. I'm gonna be the hype man. My dude finna go, give me them Cuddy hums one more time. David, you dumb as hell.
Here,
My dog David, man. Hey, Dave, you plugging for too long, man. It's been 3 minutes. Stop plugging yourself, man. Don't go to Wakanda, man.
Hold on, let me hit it one time for my boy Mike. Mike?
What the?
But anyway, yeah, man, it's good to see y'all, man.
Oh, wait, David.
It's good to see
I'm
my boy.
gonna see my dog.
Oh,
David, the car. David, man. Oh my God. This man about to, oh my God. But yep, that is the homie David, man. I known that guy for over a decade now, and that is my dog. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video but it's time to do the compression check on my motor and see if it's blown or if it's still gonna be going, so. But that's gonna do it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy the video, could you please, you know what I'm saying, smack that like button for your boy. That'd be greatly appreciated. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.